Less bloating, lose weight. Tips. Tricks and recipes. 1. Eat slowly. Eating too quickly can cause you to swallow air, which may lead to bloating. Try to chew your food thoroughly and eat at a slower pace. 2. Avoid carbonated drinks. Beverages like soda and sparkling water contain carbon dioxide, which can create gas in your stomach. 3. Limit gas-producing foods. Certain foods are known to cause gas and bloating, such as beans, lentils, broccoli, cabbage, onions, and some whole grains. 4. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water can help prevent constipation, which can cause bloating. 5. Exercise regularly. Physical activity helps to move gas through the digestive system and can relieve bloating. 6. Watch fiber intake. While fiber is essential for digestive health, too much too quickly can cause bloating. Gradually increase your fiber intake to allow your body to adjust. 7. Avoid sugar alcohols. These are often found in sugar-free foods and can cause bloating for some people. 8. Probiotics. Consuming probiotics can help balance the gut bacteria, which may reduce bloating. No-cook dinner ideas. Tuna and hummus. Wrap. 1 eggs whole grain. Wrap plus 1 eggs tuna. Can plus hummus plus salad plus mayo salmon and avo poke bowl smoked salmon plus 1 to 3 avocado plus lettuce plus microwave rice plus Kewpie and teriyaki marinade chicken pesto pasta 80 g of shredded chicken plus 150 g of ready pasta plus spinach plus pesto sauce plus peas healthy delicious protein yogurt bowl macros per bowl 3 to 83 calories 29 G protein by 47 G carbs, 10 gram fat. Ingredients: 200 gram fat-free or low-fat yogurt. I used Skyer yogurt. Great for digestion and gut health. 10-15 honey, anti-inflammatory. 80-100 gram blueberries, rich in antioxidants. 20 gram protein granola, brand, harvest more and find it in Lidl. 1 teaspoon chia seeds, lower blood pressure. 1 TBSP goji berries, lower blood sugar. 1 TBSP cacao nibs, rich in antioxidants. 1 TSP cocoa powder, heart health. 1 TSP maca powder, increase energy, brand Naturia. Quick notes, you can easily adjust, remove or replace certain ingredients to lower calories such as the honey. High protein creamy breakfast smoothie. Macros, 568 calorie, 48 G protein. 58 G carbs, 6 G fat. Ingredients: 80 G banana, 71 calories. 80 blueberries, 46 calories. 25 G protein granola, 110 calorie, brand Aldi Harvest Morn. 50 g Greek yogurt, 27 calories, brand Milbona. 20 g peanut butter, 116 calories, brand Whole Earth. 30 g protein powder, 120 calories, brand MyProtein. 200 ml skimmed milk, 70 calories, blend and enjoy.